So that is haloalkanes. Then what are haloalkanes? Here's the definition. Haloalkanes are the derivatives of halogen with alkanes. I told about halogens, chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine with alkanes. Here's an example: methyl chloride, ethyl bromide. Then haloarenes. These are the definition words, only the two definition. What are haloalkanes and what are haloarenes? What are haloalkanes? I repeat, the derivatives of halogen with alkanes, methyl chloride, ethyl bromide. Haloarenes, the same type, halogen derivatives of aromatic compounds, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene. These are the one of the things. So just we are starting. Whatever the compounds you learn in the organic chemistry, you should go through that one, the different steps. If you are learning that one, haloalkanes, what are haloalkanes? How do you prepare it? What are the uses of it? What are the chemical reactions of it? What are the examples for this one? Detailed reactions we have to study. So this is about the first thing of the organic chemistry, and then the second one we have to go for that one, the classifications of haloalkanes. So dear students, take the pencils and the paper, then you have to take all the essential things, whatever things you need, and then make down that these points. Now the classification of haloalkanes. So classification of haloalkanes is in the three types, depending upon the halogen atom. Just go for that one, depending upon the halogen atom and depending upon the nature of the alkyl group, and the third one is on the number of halogen atoms. So come to that, the first one is types of halogen atoms. Types of halogen, yes. How many types of halogen atoms are there? Chloroalkanes, bromoalkanes, iodoalkanes, fluoroalkanes. This is the first one, types of the halogen atom, depending upon the types of halogen. Chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine. So these are called, depending upon the halogen atom, we are going to classify that one, different types of halogen. And second one is on the nature of alkyl group. We are on the study of the nature of the alkyl group. See, observe here. Here's an X is halogen. X is bonded to one alkane group. That is only one bonded. That's called what? Primary. If the X is bonded to the any other the carbon branches, that's called secondary. And then X is bonded to that 3 carbon atoms and other 3 alkanes, that's tertiary. So the second classification is primary, secondary and tertiary. Then go for the third one is there. Here's on the number of halogen atoms. Monohaloalkanes, dihaloalkanes and trihaloalkanes. Mono means single. So single halogen is there. Here's 2 halogens are there. Dihaloalkanes, here's 3 haloalkanes. So this is about the 3 divisions. And now go for that one, the classification of dihaloalkanes. In classification of dihaloalkanes, geminal haloalkanes and vicinal haloalkanes. In examination you are maybe asked for this one, what are geminal halides and what are vicinal halides. Here then the classification is there. Here observe this one, how that the halogen atoms are attached to that the